What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a blog website on Wix. Wix is a great website builder that has lots of tools that you can use to create beautiful websites with no need to know of coding, and it has lots of beautiful templates and tools to get you started. Now once you sign up to Wix, you need to go to wix.com, sign up with a free account. It's free and pretty easy and straightforward to do. And here, as you can see, I have all my sites that I created earlier for different projects on Wix. So it's pretty easy to get started and create stunning looking websites, even if you don't have any experience coding or like programming. Now, to create a new site, simply click here on create new site. You can use Studio Template, which are ready-made templates that you can edit, or you can use a blank canvas. In this case, I'll use Studio Template. It'll open up in a new tab and show you all the templates that are available here. Now we need a template that is for blogging, and don't worry if you like another template that's directed for something else. I'll show you how to add the blog functionality later on in the site's dashboard. Now here you can filter them by type, you can filter them by industry, by features that are available, and by style. So by features here, you can see the blog. So if I click on blog, it'll show me all the templates that have the blog functionality or the blog app that is installed by default on this template. And I'll show you how to install it later if you want to choose a different template. Now, let's say I like this one. You can view it here. It'll open in a new tab and you can view it online, or you can simply edit it right away. Okay, if I did click on edit here, it'll open up the template in the Wix Studio Editor. And just like that, after a few moments, my template is ready to edit. Now, here you can add elements such as images, title, paragraph, button, container, and anything. And you can add assets as well as sections, so ready-made sections, complete sections like a welcome section, an about section, services, products, teams, projects, and so on. So, and you can add also wireframes, which are like sections, but without any styling, just a placeholder for the text and the images and the buttons. And let's add, for example, a section here. Let's add an about section, for example. Here on top, you can add it on top, at the bottom, at any place. Let's add it here on top. And now it's added. Now you can click on any element, such as a text element, a button, a photo to edit it. If I click here, for example, on the text element and like double click to highlight the text, I can change the text here. This is a website, or this is a blog. Okay, and yeah, I can add links, I can create AI text, and I can connect to CMS and other things. If I click on the image, I have the image settings. I can change the image, I can create AI image, I can view the settings, the mask the image, crop it, and have also other styling options right here. I can add a button, I can click on a button to add or like view the change the text, add a link, edit the link that the button redirects to, and so much more. Now here I will not focus in this video on like how to edit or how to design your website from the template. What I'm interested in is how to add the blog functionality. Now we chose a template that does have the blog functionality, but if you happen to choose another one, simply go here to App Market from the editor and go to App Market right here. And here search for blog. Hit enter. And you'll have all the blog apps. Now Wix blog is installed by default since we did choose a blog template. But if it doesn't show here, or if it's not installed, if you chose another template for another thing, go ahead and install it and it'll be installed on your website. Now, once you've installed it here, or it is installed, you can edit the blog functionality here by going to this option and then going to the dashboard of your website, which is like the backbone of your website or the back end of your website, where it has all the settings and the options other than the theme itself. And here you can go ahead and continue editing your website from the template, or you can go to the blog options here from the menu on the left. And here you have an overview. You can view your posts. If I click on posts here, I can view all my posts, all my drafts, all my posts that are pending review, all my scheduled posts and the trash. I can view the comments. I can view the categories of my posts. I can get an overview of my blog, the blog functionality of my website here, creating a post, creating a category, importing posts, and so much more. And also one thing worth mentioning is that in the post page, for example, I have the option here to create a new post, and I have more actions such as create post from template, create category, add writer, and so on. And here I can view my comments, my categories, my tags, my writers, monetization, and analytics. So basically, by going into the dashboard of your website and once you've installed the blog app on your website or on your template, you'll have the option or the options here for the blog, to adding posts, viewing posts, adding categories, and so much more.